Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook newsfeed not updating on your iPhone after the update of iOS 17. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please do like, share and subscribe. The first thing that we have to do, we have to make sure that we have a strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi or cellular data, refresh both. After that, hopefully you will get rid of this issue. If not, then move to some other solutions. Now what we have to do, we have to tap and hold the app store. Here we have to tap on updates and check the list is there is any update available for Facebook. If there is, then we have to update the Facebook app. The next thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on journal and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. After that, we are going to check the Facebook application setting. To check that, first launch Facebook. Here we have to tap on menu. Under menu, scroll, find and tap on setting and privacy and tap setting. Under settings, scroll and tap news feed. Here you can update your feed on Facebook. After that, if you're still facing the same issue, then force close all the apps that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone according to your iPhone model. After force restart, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap iPhone storage. Under iPhone storage, find and tap on Facebook and tap offload app and tap again offload to confirm. After upload the app back to general, tap on software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version if available. Now again force close all the app, go back to App Store and re-download the Facebook app. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.